Hello and welcome. It's me, Andy, here, and we're going to talk about a new update to the Osmo 360. This is something you've probably not noticed yet, but it's on there now. It's on the latest firmware. It's live streaming, and you can live stream to Facebook, YouTube, and RTMP. I had a little play around with it this morning, and this is why I'm making the video, because there are a few issues to do with this. One, for me, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because I have multiple YouTube channels, and there's only one selected on the Mimo app. I'll show you that in a moment, but the actual channel, there's only one that I can select. And the ones that I would stream to are not shown and not available. You cannot log into them. This could be just a me situation, because normally if you've only got one channel, then it will be fine. But I've got 6 or 7, and I would want to live stream to another channel, which is Andy Wright Travel. Live streaming, and of course it's not available to select, because I think it's because it's a what they call it, a brand. It's a brand channel, so there are different ways of doing it. However, I've never had a problem selecting my channels before now with various live streaming programs. You know, it does give you the option to have your top level, and then from there you select the actual channel that you want, and you can't do that with the Mimo app. Anyway, so I've talked a lot. I'm going to go and have a look at the actual Mimo app on my phone, which is here. Now I've got to be very careful because the cable is quite short. Now, the Osmo 360, so we've got searching. It should be finding the 360 shortly. There we are, there's the 360, connect. I've got the camera, which you have to have it on the single lens mode. So you have to put that onto single lens mode. Currently it is on 4K 30 single lens mode. There we are. So, is it connected or not? Yes, it has. It's connected. So on my phone it says playback in progress on app. So here's the app. I have to say the Mimo app is exceedingly annoying and not intuitive, and could be made a lot simpler. I know they want to have it for everything. They want to have it one app for all cameras and things like that, but to be fair, it really doesn't work that well, because there's no idea what you're supposed to do with this. It's like, well, I'll just press a button and see what happens. Now, so I press that and it comes up with the change the view as well. So yeah, now there is a little button, little icon down here which says live stream. So the actual live stream thing. I think not sure if it's the actual Mimo app, or whether it's the fact that I've got this running on my computer, like via a USB cable, and it's a program. There we are, it's not responding. So I get this quite a lot. I do get this a lot with the app, that it just crashes. Basically, this is the whole point about this thing, is it's showing that the actual Mimo app really should be better. Smaller is the word I'm looking for, smaller. Yeah. So here is the options that you have. So we can have YouTube, start live streams. I've got all the way to here. As I say, selecting the channel that I need to do. You need a network as well, so you have to put the, now what I did, I created a hotspot on my phone, but I do have Wi-Fi here anyway, but that's beside the point. Okay, so we're now connected onto the my Wi-Fi. Describe the live stream. Well, this is basically test. It's not made for kids. Now share. So we'll keep it unlisted. It's not going to work anyway because I can't log into my my channel. Smooth auto EIS and the account. Now the account is where we are. So this is the YouTube channel that you want to put your live stream onto. Now Andy Wright is the top level channel. It has hardly any videos on there, and it has, as far as I know, no live streaming as well, because it's not a main channel. I've never bothered with it. It's a spare top level YouTube channel. If you click live stream, it will work, but nothing will happen because the actual YouTube channel itself is not allowed to live stream. It doesn't have enough credit, as in, you're supposed to upload a number of videos or have a number of subscribers. So we're going to go over and have a look at the YouTube thing. So this is one of my channels. You see here that when you go to the top corner here, account, you can switch your accounts. So this is the basic Andy Wright one that we're trying to live stream to, but I actually want to live stream to my Thailand travel one, which I can't do because obviously you have to be able to select that. So if I go into my other Andy Wright one here, you'll see that under content there's a few videos, not many, but if I go into the live section, these are the test streams. So the one I did earlier and this one here. If I do the options, there's no option there. Details, that's the test that I typed in. You cannot do anything with this. If I go to the top here, there's nothing to say live stream. There's no option here to live stream. It's waiting for me to do something because it's either the fact that I can't live stream to this channel, which I can't, or it's waiting for me to click a button. I know that's very annoying because I noticed that on one of the other cameras or the other a long time ago, you actually have to go into your main account on a browser, and then even though you're live streaming on a camera and you're doing it all properly, you need to go into your main web browser and click live stream to make it work. For now, I'm stuck, but I think then I need to look at the Mimo app. It's not a great thing to use, I'm sorry to say, and I've got the latest Android 13, very fast. It's got loads of memory. It's not exactly very impressed with the actual process of it. If you know, even trying to upgrade your firmware and things like this and connecting to your camera, and I have the Action 4 as well, which I connected to it. I also connected my DJI Mic 3 to it, and that seemed to have disappeared. So it doesn't even say on there, it doesn't say I've got one, even though I have. So yeah, I think if they're going to do a live streaming thing, why not have it separately? That'd be a good idea. Like a little mini app that's just for live streaming, and make it a lot simpler, a lot easier to do, and none of this business about integrated into your Mimo and then trying to get your live streaming working from there. Anyway, these are just my thoughts, so if you have any other thoughts, feel free to share them, because I'm only here to try and make it better. I'm not, it might sound overly critical, but if I can't use it for what I need to do it for, then there's not much point in having it. And if I'm certainly trying to do something, then I can guarantee that somebody else is trying to do the same thing. So there we go. Right, I'm going to try that. I'm going to set that up and then come back, and if it's any different, I will do another little section of this video, and hopefully we'll see if it works or not. Right, that's it for now. Have a good day. Bye for now. Just to say that if you're interested in and keen to watch new episodes before they come out, the best way to do that is become a Patreon, and you can do that very simply. Just go over to patreon.com/AndyWrightOnline and sign up for a monthly donation, which can be as small as $5, which is hardly anything. If you think about it, you can probably get a cup of Costa coffee if you're lucky. But $5 a month will allow you access to all of the videos that I'm going to be bringing out in the next few months, and you will get them at least a week early, so you can entertain yourself with the new episodes